Hi everybody. We're coming to the end of our foundations as well. And this week we're going to talk about a couple new sounds. And you're going to recognize some of the vowel teams again, but the sounds are different. So we're going to have OU that says oo, like in the word group, group. And we're going to have UE that says ooh, like in the word blue, the color blue. And OO that says ooh, like in the word school. And EW that says ooh, like in the word chew. So all of these make the ooh sound, and that makes ooh difficult, right? We're going to get a more difficult we're going to have a more difficult time spelling. So again, we're going to use our spelling strategies, and we're going to try a couple different things as we go through. Okay, let's start with our OU. I shouldn't have said that. Sorry. Let's start with our OU and do soup. Everybody repeat soup, soup. S-oo. So if I am trying my spelling strategies, sorry. S-oo. Soup. That does look correct. If I'm trying others, I go ahead and look. Yeah, that looks strange. That looks like something else I know, but still not correct. And that's definitely different. So here I go again. Soup. Okay? Now remember, we did OU last time and we called it owl, trout. So it can say OU, oo, or OU, ow, which again makes it difficult. So when you come across OU, you have to think about which one of those would make sense in what you are reading. Okay, let's try another word. Let's try that word I said, blue. Ready? B, oo, ooh. 3 sounds. B, l, oo, blue. B. That's a blend. I hear it. Sorry, my magnets are really tight up here today. My hands stink. Ooh. I can try that. That definitely looks like an owl word. OU, owl, right? I can try that. There it is. There's my color. Now, since I didn't use it in a sentence, I know many of you, yep, that doesn't fit, right? Because that's not going to be at the end of a word. But that is also blue, and I didn't say which one. So notice we have homophones. We have blue the color and blue the birthday candles out. Okay? And let's try another one like that. Oops. Let's try grew. Grew. G, r, oo. Again, 3 sounds. G, r, and we're going to go oo. Let's try our strategy. Well, now if I put that there, I automatically see something. There's my word group. That makes sense, but it doesn't work here. Ooh. Again, I know this isn't going to be at the end of a word, except for this word, right? You. So I'm going to go here. Grew. That looks right, but I can't not try it. And grew. Nope. Might make other words, but there it is. So you're going to go ahead. You have 2 sheets this week. You're going to try and get words, combine words, and make the words and recognize the words that have the oo sound. Sometimes you will see this, like at the end of a weird word, like to. I would like to go, awesome. That's not also. That's that kind of to. Or shampoo. Okay? So you just really, at this point, you're trying it out. That's why the strategies get harder as our year goes on. All right, good luck, guys. You can do it. I'll talk to you soon.